Today on Buy and Brilliance, I'll show you how to make this easy ice cream with Oreo without an ice cream machine. The chocolate cookie with vanilla filling mixed with creamy ice cream is so terrific, quick and simple, and only 3 ingredients. Let's get started quickly. What do you need for 2 cups of Oreo ice cream? 2 cups of cream, 1/3 cup of sugar, and 3½ ounces of Oreo cookies. I like coarse Oreo pieces, but if you prefer them a bit smaller, you can also put this in a bag and crumble it with a rolling pin.
Chop the Oreo in coarse pieces.
This ice cream becomes fluffy because the cream is whipped. The air that is stored, therefore, remains in the ice and ensures that it has the perfect structure.
Add the cream, and the sugar to a bowl. Whisk until the cream has become yogurt thickness. Add the coarse Oreo and mix it in with a spatula. Pour that into a freezer box and put it in the freezer. Stir every 30 minutes so the Oreo will spread through the ice cream. Freeze for at least 4 hours.
The Oreo ice cream is ready and we are going to enjoy this delicious dessert after dinner. Do you want to make this ice cream for larger or smaller groups? Then you can find a handy calculator in the recipe card on my blog that calculates the ingredients for you. And thank you for watching. You can find the written recipe in the video description below. Don't forget to like the video, follow my channel or check out the rest of my videos where you will find over 100 recipes that are all quick, tasty and easy to make. See you soon!